Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to add custom fonts on Capcut PC. First, you need to open your favorite browser. Once your browser is open, you need to type defonti in the address bar. After typing defonti, click on the Enter key. After clicking on the Enter key, a new page will open. In the new page, you need to click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, the link will open in front of you. As soon as the link opens, you will see a list of custom fonts. You can scroll down and see which font you like. For example, I want to select Grow Tree so that I can use it in Capcut. To do this, click on the Download button. After clicking on the Download button, a pop-up will appear at the top of your screen. The pop-up will show you that the font you have selected has been downloaded. Once the download is complete, you will see a button called Show in Folder. Click on it. After clicking on Show in Folder, your download folder will open. As soon as the download folder opens, you need to double-click on the font file you just downloaded. After double-clicking on the font file, a new page will open. On the new page, click on the Install button. The font will be installed in 1 to 2 seconds. Your font is now installed. Let's open Capcut and see if we can use the font. Your Capcut is now open. As soon as the new project opens, you need to go to the text option. Click on the text option. After clicking on the text option, you will see a lot of text options. Just drag the default text to the timeline below. As soon as the default text is dragged to the timeline below, you need to go to the font section and click on System. After clicking on System, you will see a list of fonts. Scroll down a lot and find the font you downloaded. We have found the Grow Tree font that we downloaded. Click on it. Now you can use the font. Whenever you want to use the font, just select it and use it. I hope this tutorial was helpful.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.